In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure a router. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the router around, and usually you have ones labeled internet. You're going to take that, plug the cable to here and plug it into your modem. Then from the router, you're going to choose any of the ports 1 through 4, plug that in, then plug this part in into the Ethernet cable on your computer like so. From your computer, I'm going to show you how to go to the website and configure this to your personalization of your home and how to set up the Wi-Fi. Okay, now we're at the computer. You want to go to this IP address 192.168.0.1, and in some cases you'll have a different IP address, depends on which router brand you have, but this is for the D-Link series. You're going to have an admin, and you don't use a password at this point because you have to create one. Just hit login. So now the next screen is a setup wizard. So I like to set up the password on my network first. One thing you want to do is go over to tools, and here you can change your password. So let's say I'll just put in 1234. Definitely do more than that. 1234. And you also give your router a new name if you like to. So I'll call mine TechSteveSD. Then you want to save it, and do that for every time you actually change anything, so it can actually keep it. What it's going to do now is reset the router and put that password in. Now if I try to log in, it's going to say try again. My password is 1234. Hit OK. Now I'm back in. In this step, we're going to show you how to give your Wi-Fi its own unique name and your own unique password. And keep in mind, the ones that comes factory are going to be pretty good passwords, but if you like to have something you can remember, you definitely can do that. But be sure you write it down so you don't have to go back in here and reset everything again. So I'm going to click on wireless settings, go to wireless network setup wizard, and I'm going to give each of them his name. So I'm going to leave this as network, but you can type anything you want. And I like to put like 2.4 gigahertz. And the reason is because this router supports 2 bandwidths. The 5 gigahertz is going to give you better performance, but it's not going to be as much range, so just keep in mind of that. So I'm going to give this one a 5 gigahertz. And you can automatically select what the name of the keys are. So if you want to use the ones that the router designed, be sure to write those down. Right here, I'm going to hit manual assign. I like to put a 14 character passwords, but as you can see here, you can go from 8 to 63, and the longer ones are going to be the most secure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just for the video, hit next. And now you can see that is the password. So here's the name, and here's the password. And then hit save. What the router is going to do now is reset with all the new parameters in it, and then we go from there. The next part is I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi back on and scan for this router, and just to show you how it looks whenever you scan. Okay, now it's completed. I can hit continue, and I can keep on doing edits here, but I just really wanted to show you in this video how to change the name of it. Now at the bottom of my screen, I'm going to look for the Wi-Fi's now, and there it is. Network 2.4, network 5 gigahertz. I'm going to click on 5 gigahertz. Hit connect, and now it's going to ask for the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit OK. It's authenticating, and now I am connected to the 5 gigahertz. Now when you get that connected, it's going to ask you on PCs, Macs are different, if you want to make this a home, work, or public. If it's part of your home network, go ahead and click on that. And the reason you want to do that is so you can share files with your other products. Work is going to be a little bit more secure, and of course public is open to anybody who wants to see files in your computer. So hit home, hit close, and we're done. So that's my quick video on how to use D-Link and how to set up a Wi-Fi connection. And keep in mind, most routers I've ever used use the same exact technique. It's just the icons and the display looks a little different. If you like this video, please subscribe below. hit the like key, tell your friends about it. Thank you, and have a great day.
Subscribe to Text Fitness channel.